Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix audio wind noise or muffled sound on DJI Osmo Action 6. To fix that, you may want to simply click on that adjustment button, then turn on the Pro mode, go to Mic. You can see you can switch right here, and then select the wind noise reduction and set it to standard or high depending on how much wind there is. High is suitable for high-speed sports and standard is just for most daily scenes, and that will reduce the wind sound. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.